Good morning, everybody. It is 6 a.m. Somewhere in India. We have come to a glamping site last night. It is beautiful. They have got a call to prayer going on, and we've all decided to come up and watch sunset. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm quite sorry that I didn't put my camera out last night to look at the stars because it was truly beautiful, but it was a long day yesterday and I was very, very tired. So after a really good night's sleep, some of the other girls are just turning up. The sky is beautiful. So sit back and watch the sunrise. We are now on day 2, I believe, of the tour with Packers. Today we are waking up in a beautiful glamping spot just outside of Jaipur. So we all got up at just before 6 a.m. this morning to watch the sunrise because last night we should have been here in time for sunset, but unfortunately it was way past sunset. I think we didn't get here till after 8 p.m. last night. It was probably even 8:30 by the time we actually got our bags and got into reception here. Some of the girls went for dinner at about 9 p.m. but myself and my new roommate Scarlett decided to crash because she just flew in from Heathrow yesterday, so was exhausted as well. And we woke up and, as I say, we saw a lovely sunrise and we've just come down. Some of the girls have gone off on a bicycle ride. I think there was only 2 or 3 of them that decided to do that, which was $11, I think. It was 1,000 rupees, so whatever that is. And we've just come down to the main area down here for coffee this morning before breakfast being served, which is buffet style at, I believe, 8:15. So we've got a little bit of time to wait because it's still very early. And then we're off on a day full of excursions in and around Jaipur today.
Scarlett, do you think you would want to do it as well? All right, cool. I think everyone wants to.
Yeah.
I just wanted to check because I was like, I just have to tell Arvin how many dupes we need. So.
Yeah, definitely for me.
I'm excited.
And this is the temple area, so you have to take your shoes off when you come up. This is where we went to see sunrise. This feels a little sketch.
I'm not used to it.
Okay, this one's better. There we go. This is gorgeous. How beautiful, look. We're just getting ready to leave. It's been a lovely stay here. It really has. Time to head back to the bus. I'm going to miss the little tent. It was really nice. We were supposed to be in tent 3, but we miscalculated last night. So we ended up in tent 4. Somebody was calling somebody. Yeah, they were calling. 2 of the girls went out on a bike ride and they hadn't paid for their bike, so they've gone back to pay for that. I think today we are going to a museum and a jewellery factory, and I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to go and buy some clothes because it's Diwali tomorrow and I've been told that a lot of the shops are going to be shut. I hope that's not the case because I really want a couple of outfits. I think the only thing that I want to get is, so I've got some more lightweight clothes to take back to Siem Reap, Cambodia. So that'll be nice if I can. Right, our bus is waiting. Do you want to have a look? There it is. And the next hotel that we are going to, we've got 2 nights at it. Or me.
Morning.
Morning. Oh, this is beautiful. Do we know how long we've got here?
I think these are 10 minutes, but I don't know what time that was.
We've just stopped for our little lunch break. This place looks very nice. Finished lunch. So first stop after lunch is the museum, and it is beautiful. The architecture on this is
No, I'm okay. Thank you for asking.
Making videos? This?
Hi everyone. Hello. Make sure you subscribe to her channel. I don't know. Namaste. Happy Diwali. Going up there, you like. See ya!
This is amazing. We're doing a Jeep safari through Jaipur, and it's absolutely fantastic. We've got 3 Jeeps following each other. Watching me, watching you. Ah. How amazing is this?
When I was driving a tuk-tuk in Sri Lanka, sometimes if we were going up a hill too steep, Megan, my friend, she had to get out and like push me because it just would not go up the hills. Yeah, it was just, the motor is not made for that. Especially when there's more than one person in the tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
And we had our bags as well, so we were just like, okay, quick, we get enough momentum if you push me, and then she would just run and catch up to me, and we're like on the go.
I'm not 100% sure. I will put the name of the palace on the water in here, but how gorgeous is that? I really hope that this is doing this view justice. Do I have words? I have no words. Right, okay, excuse the state of the room because we've just come in exhausted and dumped our stuff everywhere. But this is mine and Scarlett's room for tonight. We are in room, hold on, let me check, 109, which is on the second floor. This is what the outside looks like. And this is in here. It's very comfortable, but we're not going to be long and we will be in bed. It's been a wonderful day, but we are both absolutely shattered. So the order of the day is sleep. Night-night. The views are spectacular. They really are.